Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called The 12 Days of Christmas Countdown by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box. And the playlist. So don't forget to head on over there, full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and get some gift ideas, some decor ideas, and some decorating ideas for the holidays that are quickly approaching. So let's jump into the video. Now in this video, I decided to make 2 matching wine glasses and a center vase that can take you right through to New Year's. So let's get started, guys. So what you see me doing here is I am hand drawing like the top of a dress into a V shape. And so I'm going to be doing that to both the wine glasses and then coloring that in. Isn't this glass coming out absolutely beautiful? I am so happy with the results. Look at this. So I did this to both glasses. Loving the results. So we have to let that dry. So we'll just give that a few minutes. So what we're doing next is I'm taking that silver mesh wrap and we're going to follow the V-neck all the way around the trim of that dress. And we're going to do that, of course, to both glasses. So what's really awesome about this color is that not only will this take you through New Year's, but because it's red, it can also take you into Valentine's Day. So now I decided to do the Podge and Glitter mixture because I had the same color red of the glitter. So that's what you see me doing here. And again, we're going to be doing this to both glasses. Now remember, you have to set this aside and let it fully dry, shake off the excess glitter, and then you want to go back in and seal everything so that you don't have any fallout. Okay, so now these are dry and this is what they look like. Absolutely gorgeous. Now we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, let's take a quick look at how beautiful these came out. So now we're going to move on to project number 2. We're going to be making here a little mini vase to go with those 2 glasses. Okay, so here what you see me doing is applying the Mod Podge to the bottom piece, and we are going to be starting out with some glitter. So that's what we're doing here all the way around. Bottom piece is done. We got to move that aside and let that dry. Now we're going to move on over to the top piece, and I think this is probably one of my favorite pieces. We are going to use the Mod Podge also to draw a V. So I'm going to be using the silver glitter for the vase. After I drew the V, now we're sprinkling on the Mod Podge just to kind of get that started. We're going to be adding the Mod Podge glitter mixture all the way around the vase. This is coming out real awesome. It is so beautiful. Look how beautiful this looks. Yes, and especially that V. I'm going to be using a permanent adhesive in order to glue these two pieces together. I'm also going to be using the hot glue for an instant stick. Now remember, when you're using a permanent adhesive, you want to be in a well-ventilated area, and you want to let this sit for 24 to 48 hours. So once we got the hot glue to stick, we want to continue working. So here I'm going to cut a little strip of the silver mesh, and I decided to do a border between the top part and the bottom part of this vase. So I'm loving the results of how this is coming out. Absolutely gorgeous. So I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts and the co-hostesses for this collaboration. And don't forget to head on over to that playlist. So I think this little mini vase came out absolutely gorgeous, and it blends in with the wine glasses just the same. So now it's time for the reveal of these beautiful pieces. So if you like the video, hit like, share, and comment. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video.